Here's a glimpse into the garage of my warehouse. I usually go once or twice a month. There's a lot of catching up to do. It's very, very dusty. And I've had to clear out a lot of items to make room for some new projects that I'm working on. And I would like to be able to bring you videos from my works in progress being done here. This is where I work on larger pieces. There's much more room. Oh, this is my art cart that I used to take to festivals, but right now it's collecting dust. It needs a good cleaning as well. So this is a storage facility. It's huge. It's a very accommodating workshop for all of my projects. However, it's not climate controlled, and I usually have to work in the early mornings during the hot summer months. Now, I do have another section which is part of my studio, and that is air conditioned. I keep the garage door open so there are bugs that come in and little creatures from time to time, and I have falling leaves that come in through the cracks. So it does take a lot of maintenance. Now, during the summer, I keep a lot of fans handy, and this is one of my favorites because it's like 3-in-1 that I made with some paper plates and, of course, using my liquid starch and copier paper. So, once a month, I should be giving it a good cleaning now. I've put it off, so it needs to be thoroughly cleaned. And like this is like a 10-year-old piece here that needs touching up, but I do have to get all of the dust off of it first. Now, this is a piece I no longer have, but it was one of my larger pieces, and this is part of a large frame. I love doing my dragons. This was a huge piece, almost as huge as this jack-o'-lantern piece. So I hope you enjoyed this little tour, and I hope to bring you more projects from the warehouse and my workshops in the future. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye for now.